Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the MUN Airdrop. Guys, if you are an airdrop hunter, if you are following my videos, this is a free, easy and confirmed airdrop. It's everything that you can ask as an airdrop hunter. So we are going to cover a little bit about the project, how much they are going to distribute it for this airdrop, and like always in my videos, how to get this easy, free and confirmed airdrop that you are going to see here step by step. And if you want to get free money in crypto, so this is your video to start doing airdrops. Before we begin, like you can see, you have burns here giving you the money directly to you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, MUN Blockchain is a layer 1 blockchain that is based on Cosmos SDK and Tendermint. MUN can be utilized to send money home all around the world for low fees. The goal of MUN is to offer a free peer-to-peer transfer for humankind by disrupting a 900 billion remittance industry, real-world use cases. So MUN is airdropping a total of 20 million MUN tokens to early users. There's a couple of things about this airdrop. Users who stake Atom and Juno, users who had USDT and Luna before the crash, and users who complete simple tasks and users who stake their stablecoins will become eligible for the airdrop. They recently had an IDO where the price ended up at 18 cents per token. So if they are going to distribute 20 million tokens, we are talking about a 3.2 million airdrop. The website is mun.money and you can see information about that. I am super bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem. That is one of the tokens that I am still accumulating to the next bull run. I think Cosmos is one of the best blockchains in the crypto space, and I really like all the products around Cosmos ecosystem. Here you will see a lot of things about how this project works and what they're trying to achieve. You have some info about the team here, and the airdrop is official, guys, and you are going to see why, not only because they already mentioned this airdrop alert on the official Twitter account, which by the way they have 70k followers, which is not a small community, but many of the things that you need to do are in the Discord. So Discord is going to be mandatory on the step by step. You can check more other stuff about MUN in the official documentation for MUN Blockchain. And all the official links are going to be there. You actually have some Telegram groups for each country and more documents of the testnet and everything that you need. It's already here on the link tree of MUN Blockchain. You also can take a look to the white paper if you want to understand more technical aspects on how MUN Blockchain works. But we are here for the airdrop, so we go to that now. If this is your first time here, remember that I have subscriptions that will help you in your airdrop hunter path. I have a subscription to my private Discord where we manage a lot of high quality data to different airdrops that are not covered in my channel, meme coins, BRC20 and new Bitcoin standards, crypto portfolios and crypto strategies, also trade alerts and much more in my Discord. And if you are really an airdrop hunter or you really want to apply in multiple airdrops, you are going to need my app. You can see here 2 videos on how my app works. It's going to help you a lot to apply to the airdrops and also to keep everything organized. If you think that with one Excel file you are going to be fine, I assure you that it is not the case. You are going to be lost after applying a couple of airdrops. So my app helps you to manage everything organized and apply easily. Check my subscriptions if you really want to make a difference as an airdrop hunter. And guys, remember that this MUN Blockchain airdrop is going to be in my application. So go to my subscriptions, get my app. You are going to apply to this airdrop really easy, and to all the other airdrops that I have been covering and still are active, you can find them there. So the step by step to this airdrop is step 1, follow them on Twitter. You're going to need that. And the step 2 is join the Discord. Join the Discord, guys, is mandatory this time because everything is going to pass on the Discord. Now, step 3 is that you need to get your airdrop role. To get your airdrop role, you join to Discord and then you go to the Get Airdrop Role channel and you need to click this icon, this emoji, to get the role. So basically, once you confirm and verify, you go here to get your airdrop role. And here, like you can see, you need to react with this icon. And then you will have available this backup get airdrop role. So you are going to see the instructions for the airdrop in the channel here on Discord. Now the step 4 is, like I say, to participate on the airdrop. You can check the instructions on the Discord. It's the same that I am going to show you here, plus a couple of secrets, but basically you can follow the step 4 official information. So you go there after you sign up and you reacted and you get your role. You are going to see this. There are 4 different airdrops for our community. And like I already mentioned, they have one plan to launch a stake drop, which will give MUN coin to stakers of other blockchains as Cosmos, Juno Network, Starknet SOL, and Osmosis SOL. The second one is that they'll plan to launch a mission airdrop where the users have to complete missions in order to claim MUN coins. And they also plan to launch a rect drop for people that invested in UST and Luna. I think that is really nice of them. On the Terra blockchain before the crash. So they are going to announce the details on those airdrops in the coming weeks too. And finally, they plan a lock drop where users can lock their stable coins USDT, USDC, USDT for a variable period of time to receive MUN coins as rewards. Now, that part that we are going to be interested right now, besides all these 4 points, is down here. These are the instructions that you need to do right now. So after you check point 4, we can go and start doing the stuff that we need for this easy airdrop, confirm airdrop. So you will need your Keplr wallet. This is especially for the Cosmos ecosystem. So here you have the link if you need to download the Keplr wallet. You're going to see this, and it's a Chrome extension. You can also add the Firefox extension or download it to your mobile application. After you get your Keplr downloaded, we go to step 6, which is you need to connect to MUN and get your MUN wallet there. So basically you go to this link. You need to connect here with your Keplr account, your Keplr wallet, and here you're going to see this is your particular MUN address. So this is your wallet here. So now you are already connected on step 6. So now we go to step 7, which is you need to get your Faucet tokens for MUN. So you go to this link and you put there your address for TMUN tokens. If it says that Faucet is empty, then you will need to try later because there is a finite amount that they have. So you will need to try after some time if you don't get them. So go here to the link of the Faucet. So this is the link of the Faucet. So first go here, copy here your address, come back here. Let's go into refresh this. Now click here to verify that you are not a bot. Paste there your address and click on send tokens. If everything is fine, you are going to see this successfully sent tokens to your wallet. So after a minute, you're going to see the tokens on your wallet. And you can see here that I have 10 TMUN. So these are the ones that you are going to use, your TMUN tokens. Basically testnet MUN tokens. Now we need to do step 8 and 9. This is choose a validator and we are going to stake our TMUN. So we go to this URL and we do step 9, which is click on manage, delegate, get any amount, not the max, of tokens to delegate and confirm the transaction. So let's go there. From here you go to validators. You need to wait 1 minute until this is already loaded. After this is loaded, that could take like 2-3 minutes, not only one sometimes. You can choose any of these validators. So let's go and click in any of those. So for example, this that has 7% on commission. Let's go here and click delegate. I'm going to put 3 and I'm going to click delegate. And if everything is okay, you will need to approve the transaction and delegate 3 of the TMUN tokens. You can see success. So we successfully delegated to this validator. Now I'm going to come back here and I'm going to select another to manage this. And I'm going to put 4 this time. Remember that you have 5. Here you can change the validator if you want. So click on delegate, confirm your transaction here, approve it, and success again. So everything is working fine. We click there to come back, and remember you can undelegate or you can redelegate or you can withdraw. So you also may want to try all this. So delegate a couple of days. Maybe if you remember, go and delegate 1 or 2 of the TMUN tokens and do a withdraw, maybe redelegate after. So you interact a little bit with the ecosystem here, but basically you need to delegate. That is the official information. So after you did step 8 and 9, we need to give a feedback. So go to the suggestion beta tester channel and submit your feedback with a screenshot and your wallet. Feedback is necessary. So step 10, you need to do it. So that is why, besides seeing the official information, you need to do the step 10, which is maybe take a screenshot of something that you think didn't work well and put a comment about that so the people know. One of my suggestions, if you want to make it easy, is that it takes a lot of time to show all the validators, the active validators. So one good feedback could be that they need to put a loading here or anything like that in order to make the UI more attractive for the users. So you go to that channel and you put there your beta tester suggestion. You also have here an airdrop channel specifically for airdrop, people commenting and asking about the airdrop, how much they think is going to be and more about that. So here put your screenshot, your suggestion and your wallet of MUN. That will be basically what you need to do. And now step 11, also that is going to be required for this airdrop, is complete your Zealy task. There are not many. You have the invite link there. So some of them are really easy to do, like follow them on the different social media and stuff. And others are more complicated, but they don't have a big amount. You can see these are all the tasks that you have right now. So it's not like crazy stuff like many other projects. So this is reasonable for promotion. And that will be all, guys. Step 12 is just a reminder that also is going to be airdrop, a different portion for the airdrop for these other categories, like users who stake on Atom and Juno, users who had USDT and Luna before the crash, and users who complete a simple task, and users who stake their stablecoins will become eligible for the airdrop. If you want to know more about MUN Blockchain, remember to be in the Discord, follow them on Twitter, so you will get all the official info there. So remember, guys, this MUN Blockchain airdrop is going to be to apply easily on my app. So if you register to my app, you can easily apply to all these airdrops that I have been covering from the last months. Everything is in my app, and you also can create your custom airdrops. So beside my different airdrops, you can apply to your own airdrops too. The prices of my subscriptions are really cheap, guys. I'm going to increase the prices soon, so I recommend you to get into the subscriptions if you want to make it easier. That will be all for this video, guys. MUN Airdrop, this is a free, easy and confirmed airdrop. So you have here, like I said before, Burns is giving you your money. If you don't do this airdrop, that is only going to take you 10 minutes. I don't know how you can get more easy money in crypto right now. That will be all for the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Guys, if you're one of my followers from a long time, please like the video. So that helps me a lot in this bear market to increase the community and the awareness of my channel, so I can help more people to get free money in airdrops. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye.